Philippians 4:6-7. Do not be anxious about anything, but in every situation, by prayer and petition, with thanksgiving, present your requests to God. And the peace of God, which transcends all understanding, will guard your hearts and your minds in Christ Jesus. John 14:27. Peace I leave with you, my peace I give you. I do not give to you as the world gives. Do not let your hearts be troubled and do not be afraid. Isaiah 26:3. You will keep in perfect peace those whose minds are steadfast, because they trust in you. Psalm 4:8. In peace I will lie down and sleep, for you alone, Lord, make me dwell in safety. Colossians 3:15. Let the peace of Christ rule in your hearts, since as members of one body you were called to peace. And be thankful. 2 Thessalonians 3:16. Now may the Lord of peace himself give you peace at all times and in every way. The Lord be with all of you. Psalm 29:11. The Lord gives strength to his people. The Lord blesses his people with peace. Romans 8:6. The mind governed by the flesh is death, but the mind governed by the Spirit is life and peace. Proverbs 12:20. Deceit is in the hearts of those who plot evil, but those who promote peace have joy. Matthew 11:28-29. Come to me. And humble in heart, and you will find rest for your souls.